If you are a wildlife enthusiast planning your travels for 2023, then you're in luck. In this video, we will highlight 10 unique wildlife destinations you should definitely add to your bucket list. From tropical rainforests to African savannas, we've got you covered. So let's get started. 10. The Ngorongoro Crater, Tanzania. Ngorongoro is the biggest intact volcanic caldera in the world and the location of the greatest concentration of big game in Africa. This natural enclosed sanctuary is said to be home to some 25,000 huge animals. So including all 5 Big 5 species, the Ngorongoro Crater is home to an astonishing diversity of wildlife. Here you can find hippos, zebras, crocodiles, antelope, leopards, cheetahs, and lions, among other animals. 9. Masai Mara National Reserve, Kenya. One of Africa's most well-known and significant wilderness places for wildlife conservation, the Masai Mara is well known for its impressive lion, African leopard, cheetah, and African bush elephant populations. It is also the only protected area in Kenya, with a native black rhino population that has not been affected by translocations. 8. The Amazon Basin, Brazil. The Amazon is one of the last remaining habitats on Earth for jaguars, harpy eagles, and pink river dolphins. It is also home to sloths, black spider monkeys, and poison dart frogs, 1 in every 10 globally recognized species, including 40,000 plant species, 3,000 freshwater fish species, and more than 370 reptile species are found there. 7. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. Due to their location at the meeting point of 3 ocean currents, the Galapagos Islands are known as a melting pot of marine life. The processes that formed the islands are still being reflected in the seismic and volcanic activity. Land iguanas, lava lizards, geckos, and harmless snakes are among the creatures that live on these islands. In fact, some of these are even unique to a particular island. Penguins, Darwin's finches, frigate birds, albatrosses, gulls, boobies, pelicans, and Galapagos hawks are among the most prominent animals on the more amazing coasts. 6. Etosha National Park, Namibia. The only park of its kind in Africa is Etosha National Park. The park's main attraction is a sizable salt pan that can be seen from space, with elephants, black and white rhinoceros, lions, leopards, cheetahs, huge herds of springbok, zebra, wildebeest, giraffes, and other fascinating creatures large and small. Etosha National Park is one of Africa's best savanna conservation sites. 5. Sabi Sands Park, South Africa. The Big 5, the lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhino, are well known in the Sabi Sands. It benefits from the enormous variety of animals in one of Africa's most outstanding wildlife areas. No walls separate it from Kruger Park, so it is most well known for leopard sightings. The traditionally elusive Sabi Sand leopards have become accustomed to safari vehicles, allowing for up-close encounters and fantastic photo opportunities. 4. Okavango Delta, Botswana. The is one of the biggest inland deltas on Earth, and one of the most stunning natural areas on the planet as well. Here, you're likely to spot greater kudu, sable antelope, black rhinoceros, white rhinoceros, plain zebra, warthog, and more. No wait, also add African bush elephant, African buffalo, hippopotamus, lechwe, topi, blue wildebeest, giraffe, Nile crocodile, lion, cheetah, leopard, brown hyena, and spotted hyena to the list. Lions in the Okavango Delta have adapted to their aquatic environment and prosper there, so don't be shocked if you see a lion swimming slowly closer to its prey. 3. Canaima National Park, Venezuela. In southeast Venezuela, near the border with Guyana and Brazil, you'll locate a 3 million hectare park called Canaima National Park. This national park is home to the unusual flat-topped Table Mountain formations, which are of great cultural value to the Pamon villages. Tepuis are a special biotic habitat that tells an important evolutionary tale about the evolution of the world. Cougars, Linnaeus's two-toed sloths, white-faced sakis, brown-backed bearded sakis, South American bushmasters, toucans, hummingbirds, dusky parrots, yellow-banded poison dart frogs, harpy eagles, red-shouldered macaws, Tyleria mouse opossums, and Tyler may all be found here. 2. Queen Elizabeth National Park, Uganda. It is Uganda's second largest and most biologically varied park, and is the country's most well-known safari destination. The park, near the Rwenzori Mountains in western Uganda, encompasses various landscapes, including wetlands, swamps, crater lakes, tropical forests, woodland, and open savanna. It also supports a wide variety of wildlife, including 95 mammal species and over 600 bird species. Elephants, buffalo, Ugandan kob, sitatunga, huge forest hogs, and topi are among the locally notable wildlife wonders, with tree-climbing lions in the park's southern area topping the list. In addition to animal drives on the open savanna, you may take boat tours to see hippos and crocodiles. Chimpanzees can also be found by taking a walk in the rainforest. And finally, at number 1, Yellowstone National Park, USA. It is one of America's most well-known national parks, and was the first in the world due to the Old Faithful Geyser and Grand Prismatic Spring, black and grizzly bears, hundreds of wild bison, wolf groups, Enormous waterfalls and the greatest number of active geysers in the world can all be found at Yellowstone. So, there you have it, our top 10 wildlife destinations to visit in 2023. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife traveler or just starting, these destinations will surely offer unforgettable experiences and memories. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.